Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen. I'm back in Mama's Kitchen, and I just told Teresa 2 seconds ago I forgot to look in the mirror again. I don't think I've ever looked in the mirror before I do any of this stuff, but who cares? Aren't you glad you tuned in today? Today we're doing orange brownies, y'all, which is delicious. Let's get started. I got some flour. We got our sugar. I'm gonna add 4 eggs. And I've got 2 sticks of softened butter. Let's get this going. Okay.
You might have to turn, is that thing on?
Hey, how you doing? Also, how about let's get all the ingredients in here? You want to? I almost forgot to put my orange part of my orange brownie in there. And this says it is 2 teaspoons. I just happen to have a teaspoon right here. 1, and y'all know this extract is strong, so make sure that you use the two of those. And then I'm gonna do a teaspoon of orange zest, and a lot of flavor comes out of this too. Plus, you see the little orange bits in your brownie? And you know it's authentic. I'm gonna put a little extra little, because I love it. Now, I'm gonna beat this up. Whoa, Nelly. I'm gonna cream this pretty good. All right, perfect timing, y'all. I got all this beat up. Now we're going into, I'm using this pan because we're gonna take this one for a walk when it's done today. Grease your pan, and then we're gonna get all of our batter in here. Because my mom stayed on my rear end for 30 years about it, I cannot leave anything in there because the profits are in the corner, son. Now, this is always fun. We're gonna bang it out a little bit, and we're gonna spread it out. This is going in at 350 degrees. This is pretty thin. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I'd say maybe 15, 18 minutes on this. That's just me guesstimating. Y'all know you can find all the true facts on this video somewhere. And you also know that it ain't coming from me. Because I pinch and dash and check. My wife drives her crazy. How much longer on this? I say, I don't know. I'll have to look. All right, well, I'm not gonna scrape the spoon today. Sorry, Mom. Going in the oven, 350 degrees. Smells like spring, y'all. Okay, y'all, we're working on our icing for our orange brownies, and so we're gonna do an orange. This is just a simple orange icing that we're gonna do with cream cheese, and we have butter. I'm gonna cream this together for just a second. And now, I've got these things kind of creamed together. We're gonna add a whole box of confectioner's sugar. This reminds me of the muffins that Mom used to make, the orange blossom muffins that we would do with this. Okay, we're gonna do this a little bit at a time. If y'all happen to catch me at the restaurant today, you'll notice that I'll be wearing confectioner's sugar on my shirt, my shorts, my shoes, and my socks. Perhaps turn down the speed a little bit, big boy. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna cream this whole box of this brown sugar in here. This is gonna take a minute, so let's take a quick break. When we get back, we'll finish this and put it on top of the brownies. Woo. Okay, y'all, I mean, it's simple, but it is delicious. So to this, I'm gonna zest in 2 tablespoons of fresh orange zest. I mean, it already smells like spring in here. These oranges, y'all are really gonna enjoy these brownies. And it's a really fresh take on a traditional brownie. Sometimes all that, you know, just take a break from the chocolate. I've got enough butter and cream cheese in here. Y'all will like it. I'm gonna do this whole orange, as exciting as this is. Because once I get the zest off of here, I'm gonna give it a little cut. And we're gonna take all the juice from here. 2 either tea or table I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna squeeze this whole orange in here. That's a good 2 tablespoons right there. Now I'm gonna whip this together again super quick. This is so stiff that this orange juice is gonna break down this a little bit and help smooth it out as well as add all the flavor. And look how beautiful that is. Well, I'm planning on eating orange. Golly Moses. I wasn't planning on eating orange brownies this morning, but you know, you can't ever really tell where your blessings are gonna come from when you start your day. Brownies, frosting. Ooh. I'm gonna start right down the middle, and then I'm gonna spread it out. Looks like we're gonna have plenty. And the cook licks the bowl. I tell y'all what, if you find a better orange brownie than this today, y'all buy it. This one is gonna be a good one. Now this is completely cooled. You mess around and put this icing on a warm cake and you're gonna have the mess of all messes. You know I didn't come this far and do all this work without getting to taste it. Plus I ruined my shirt, my shorts, and my socks. Woo! Cheers, y'all. Happy spring. I'm Jamie Deen. That's good food. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.